Hi there, animal adventurers. It's Jojo Siwa, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. Are you ready for an adventure? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the amazing world of animal adaptations. Have you ever wondered how animals survive in the wild? Some animals blend in like ninjas, while others shine bright like rainbows. Today, we're exploring how animals use their super skills to stay safe, find food, and live their best lives. Get ready to have some fun, learn some cool stuff, and maybe even bust a move or two. Let's go! Okay, everyone, get ready to be amazed, because we're about to talk about one of nature's most fascinating tricks, camouflage. This is like nature's ultimate magic trick, where animals disappear right before your eyes. Imagine walking through a forest and suddenly realizing that what you thought was a leaf is actually a living creature. It's like they have their own invisibility cloaks, just like in Harry Potter. But instead of wizards, we have some of the most incredible animals on the planet. First up, let's meet the chameleon. These fascinating lizards are true masters of disguise. You know, those cool lizards that can change their color. They can shift their hues to blend into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. It's like they have a rainbow inside of them. Their skin contains special cells called chromatophores that allow them to change color in an instant. But this isn't just for show, oh no. Chameleons use their color-changing powers to blend in with their surroundings, making it super hard for predators to spot them. Chameleons use their color-changing powers to blend in with their surroundings, making it super hard for predators to spot them. This ability is crucial for their survival in the wild. It's like playing hide and seek, but way more stylish. Imagine being able to change your appearance to match your environment perfectly. And speaking of blending in, have you ever seen a stick insect? These insects are the ultimate masters of disguise. I'm serious. These guys are the masters of disguise. They look exactly like sticks, and I mean exactly. You could be looking right at one and not even know it. They look exactly like sticks, and I mean exactly. Their bodies are elongated and their legs are positioned in such a way that they blend seamlessly with twigs and branches. They even sway in the breeze like real sticks. It's mind-blowing. This movement helps them avoid detection by predators. This incredible camouflage helps them avoid becoming a tasty snack for hungry birds. By blending in so perfectly, they can go about their business without worrying about being eaten. Camouflage is all about survival, and these animals are the ultimate champions. They have evolved these amazing adaptations to stay safe in their environments. They use their amazing adaptations to stay safe, whether they're hunting for food or avoiding becoming someone else's lunch. It's a constant game of survival out there. It's like a game of strategy, and these animals are playing to win. Every move they make is calculated to ensure their survival. Can you imagine being able to camouflage yourself? Think about all the fun you could have sneaking around unnoticed. I think it would be so cool to blend in with my surroundings, like disappearing into a wall of glitter and rainbows. Just imagine the possibilities. But even though we don't have camouflage powers, we can still appreciate how amazing these animals are. Their ability to blend in is a testament to the wonders of nature and evolution. Get ready to move and groove, because it's time to talk about animal locomotion. That's a fancy word for how animals move their bodies. And trust me, the animal kingdom is full of amazing movers and shakers. First up, let's hop over to Australia and meet the kangaroo. These bouncy buddies are famous for their incredible jumping skills. They can leap over huge distances with their powerful back legs, and it's like watching a real-life trampoline show. Boing, boing, boing. But it's not just about jumping. Kangaroos also use their strong tails for balance, kind of like a built-in kickstand. It's pretty awesome how they can hop, skip, and jump their way around. Now let's dive into the ocean and meet the jellyfish. These graceful creatures might look like they're just floating around, but they actually have a super cool way of moving. They contract their bell-shaped bodies, pushing water out and propelling themselves forward. It's like a magical underwater dance. From the soaring eagles to the slithering snakes, every animal has its own unique way of moving that's perfectly adapted to its environment. Whether they're flying, swimming, crawling, or slithering, animals have evolved some seriously impressive ways to get around. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling inspired to bust a move. Let's all channel our inner animal and dance like nobody's watching. Chapter 3. Nightlife of Animals. Party animals of the night. Shh! It's time to turn down the lights and explore the secret world of nocturnal animals. When the sun sets and the world goes quiet, a whole new realm of activity begins. The forest, which seemed so still and silent during the day, transforms into a bustling hub of life. These party animals come alive when the sun goes down, and they have some seriously cool adaptations that help them thrive in the dark. From heightened senses to unique hunting techniques, each nocturnal creature has its own way of navigating the night. First up, let's meet the owls. These majestic birds are the epitome of nocturnal prowess. These wise birds are like the ninjas of the night, with their silent flight and super sharp eyesight. Their large, forward-facing eyes give them excellent depth perception, crucial for hunting in low light. They can spot a tiny mouse from miles away, even in the pitch black. Talk about impressive. Their eyes are so powerful that they can see in almost complete darkness, making them formidable hunters. Owls have special feathers that muffle the sound of their wings, allowing them to swoop down on their prey without making a peep. This silent flight is a key adaptation that makes them such effective nocturnal predators. It's like they're wearing built-in silencers. These feathers have a unique structure that breaks up turbulence, reducing noise and allowing for stealthy approaches. And speaking of stealthy hunters, let's not forget about bats. These fascinating creatures are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. These flying mammals might seem a little spooky, but they're actually super cool. Bats play a crucial role in many ecosystems, from pollinating flowers to controlling insect populations. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. This incredible ability allows them to see with sound, emitting high-pitched calls and listening for the echoes that bounce back. It's like having a built-in sonar system. This echolocation is so precise that bats can detect objects as thin as a human hair. They send out high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects, and then they use their super-sensitive hearing to create a map of their surroundings. This allows them to hunt insects with incredible accuracy, even in complete darkness. It's like seeing with sound. This remarkable adaptation makes bats some of the most efficient nocturnal hunters. From the glowing fireflies to the sneaky foxes, nocturnal animals have adapted to make the most of the nighttime. Fireflies use bioluminescence to communicate and attract mates, creating a magical light show in the dark. They've got their own special ways of finding food, communicating, and staying safe in the dark. Foxes, for example, rely on their keen sense of smell and hearing to hunt and avoid predators. It makes you wonder what other secrets are hidden in the shadows, right? The night is full of mysteries and marvels, with each nocturnal creature playing a unique role in the ecosystem. So next time you find yourself in the dark, remember, there's a whole world of party animals out there, living their best lives under the cover of night. Chapter 4. Animals and Colors. The Bold and the Beautiful. Get ready for a color explosion, because we're about to dive into the vibrant world of animal colors. Nature has a palette that would make any artist envious, and animals are the masterpieces. From bright and bold to dazzling and iridescent, animals use color for a variety of reasons, and it's not just about looking fabulous, although that's definitely a bonus. Colors can signify danger, attract mates, or even help them blend into their surroundings. First up, let's meet the peacock. This bird is a true showstopper in the animal kingdom. This flamboyant fellow is famous for his extravagant tail feathers, which he uses to attract a mate. Each feather is adorned with eye-catching patterns and vibrant hues. It's like a fashion show in the animal kingdom, and the peacock is definitely the star of the show. When he fans out his tail feathers, it's like a dazzling display of shimmering colors and intricate patterns. When he fans out his tail feathers, it's like a dazzling display of shimmering colors and intricate patterns. The peacock's tail is not just for show, it's a powerful tool in the game of love. It's no wonder the peahens are impressed. The more vibrant and symmetrical the display, the more attractive the peacock is to potential mates. But bright colors aren't always about attracting attention. Sometimes they serve a more practical purpose. Sometimes it's about sending a warning signal. Take poison dart frogs, for example. These tiny amphibians come in a rainbow of vibrant colors, but their beauty is a warning sign to predators. Their bright colors signal that they're toxic, and any predator that tries to make a meal out of them is in for a nasty surprise. These tiny amphibians come in a rainbow of vibrant colors, but their beauty is a warning sign to predators. Their bright colors signal that they're toxic, and any predator that tries to make a meal out of them is in for a nasty surprise. It's like saying, "Look at me, but don't even think about touching." Their bright colors signal that they're toxic, and any predator that tries to make a meal out of them is in for a nasty surprise. It's like saying, "Look at me, but don't even think about touching." It's like saying, "Look at me, but don't even think about touching." The vibrant colors serve as a universal language in the animal kingdom, a clear message to stay away. From the camouflage of chameleons to the warning colors of poison dart frogs, animal colors play a vital role in their survival and communication. Chameleons, for instance, can change their colors to blend into their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators. It's a fascinating world of dazzling displays, hidden messages, and evolutionary adaptations. The colors in the animal kingdom are not just for beauty. They are essential for survival, communication, and reproduction. So next time you see a brightly colored animal, remember, there's more to those colors than meets the eye. Wow, animals are so amazing. From blending in to standing out, moving in cool ways and partying at night, they have the best super skills. It's like they're all superheroes with their own unique powers. We've learned about camouflage masters, incredible movers, nocturnal ninjas, and colorful creatures. We've explored the science behind their adaptations and discovered how they use their amazing abilities to survive and thrive in the wild. Which animal adaptation was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more wild adventures. Bye!